Hey everyone, it's your favorite tech guide Anna, and you're watching For Real, your channel for real easy-peasy tech solutions. Today we're diving into the world of iPhone alarms. Yes, those noisy wake-up calls that sometimes don't behave the way we want them to. Let's unravel the mystery of changing the alarm volume on your iPhone. So you're jolted awake by an alarm that's too loud, or worse, you slept through a super important meeting because your alarm was as quiet as a mouse. Frustrating, right? But don't fret, we're here to sort this out. Some of you might be thinking, why not use Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode? Well, they actually don't make a difference to your alarm sound. Fun fact, right? So if you were counting on them to control your alarm volume, it's time for a new approach. Let's start on a high note, or rather a no note. If your alarm sound is set to none, you're probably in for a silent morning. So, to make sure your alarm isn't set to none, open the clock app, tap the Alarms tab, pick an alarm, and select the Sound tab. If none is chosen, just pick a different sound. You can even sample them first so you know what you're waking up to. Just a quick break. If you're finding our tips helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and drop us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Next up, let's talk about the date and time settings. If you adjust these manually, it can affect your alarms. So head into your Settings app, tap on General, then Date and Time, and make sure the Set Automatically toggle is on. While you're there, check the 24-hour time toggle too. Now, let's venture into the sounds and haptic settings. If you want to use the volume buttons to adjust your alarm volume, ensure the Change with Buttons feature is turned on. Another sneaky thing that might be quietly sabotaging your alarm is the Attention Aware setting. If you've ever noticed your alarm volume going super low when you pick up and look at your iPhone, this is the culprit. Go to Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode, and turn off Attention Aware features. A quick side note about the Control Center. The volume adjustment option doesn't control ringer volume, only playback. So don't mess with that if you're trying to fix your alarm situation. Finally, consider setting a bedtime schedule using the Health app. Not only does it help create a healthy sleep routine, but it also allows you to adjust your wake-up alarm volume. Awesome, right? So open the Health app, go to Browse to Sleep, and select Full Schedule and Options. Toggle Sleep Schedule and use Schedule for Sleep Focus. Select Add Schedule and choose your desired bedtime and wake-up time. Then, toggle the alarm feature on. You'll see a volume slider where you can set the alarm volume to your preference. And we are done, folks. These steps should help you take complete control of your iPhone's alarm volume. Remember, technology is meant to serve us, not stress us out. We'd love to hear if these tips helped you, so leave us a comment below. That's it for today's episode. Stay tuned to For Real for more tech tips and solutions. This is Anna signing off. Remember, keep it tech, keep it real.